What is up, everyone? Welcome back to BMW E90 HQ. So as the video suggests, I straight piped BMW. I still have the stock downpipe, stock secondary cats, but I replaced the resonator with an X pipe and just straight up muffler delete. And I'll go ahead and have some overlaid pictures right here so you can see just what I'm talking about and how it looks and everything. And I'm pretty happy with it for the sound it makes, but there's a real problem with the drone, and something's going to have to be done about that, and I'm sure it's only going to get worse when the downpipes get them put in. So yeah, if you don't like drone, this is definitely not the setup for you. I don't like the drone. Basically, the drone's pretty bad between like 2,000 RPM to 2,700 RPM, somewhere around that area. And so basically you just have to drive higher revs than that. So it's kind of a little bit different to drive the car with the revs like that on the highway and everything. But going around town and stuff, it's not too bad. And it's pretty loud in parking decks. It echoes pretty loud. Pretty much the rest of this video is just going to be some overlaid clips so you can hear what it sounds like. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please be sure to leave it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.